Ooh, ripples. Is it? Oh, never mind. This looks really easy. Okay, do you want to just try bobber fishing for now?
Sure.
For chub, and then if we see any carp, we'll obviously go for them. Well, good morning, folks. I'm back out here with my sister. I never seem to catch anything when she's here. I've never fished here before, so I'm just trying to kind of gauge what is available. Well, folks, I just spent 45 minutes trying to get a backlash done. My sister left because she wasn't catching anything, so I'm either going to continue to fish, depending if I see anything, or head home. I'm just gonna travel further upstream, see if I can spot anything. Nothing yet. Not so good.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
No fish whatsoever?
No, I haven't seen any.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Do you live close by?
Yeah.
Okay. Figured you messed with the bike.
Yeah.
Wonderful. How old are you?
15.
Okay, so you don't have a fishing license yet then? Okay, perfect.
No.
Do you have any like health card or anything like that on you?
Possibly.
Sure.
Like, this isn't my school bag, so.
Okay, wonderful. What were you using for bait today?
Corn.
Okay.
And that jerk bait right there.
Okay, perfect. What were you hoping to catch?
Carp.
Okay.
Yeah.
You realize trout's closed right now?
Yeah, I'm not fishing for trout. And I know carp are usually open all year round, right?
Yeah, that's not it. Well, we just like to clarify with people, right, just so you're aware.
Yeah.
You know, if you were out here with roe or something like that,
Mhm.
then
Yeah.
I'd be a bit more concerned.
Yeah, actually I don't have any on me right now.
No problem. You know what, you look young, so if you don't mind, you can give me what's called verbal ID. You can just identify yourself, and then
Okay.
if I have any concerns, I can follow up with it later. So, okay, so what's your name, please? Okay, perfect. And where do you live?
Just in Coldstream, just down the road, like 10-minute bike ride from here.
Okay. Oh, 10 minutes by car?
No, by bike.
By bike. Okay, so
Yeah.
you had a good workout.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's your home address? Awesome. So no fish then?
No.
Whatsoever? Okay. Perfect. Cool. Well, I'm glad to see you out today.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Awesome. Well, thank you. And
Yeah,
it's just
no
yourself
problem.
out here?
Yeah, my sister was here earlier, but she
Okay.
left because we weren't catching anything.
Wonderful.
I'm gonna head home too,
Did
I
you
think.
see anything? Like
Any
anything
fish?
like release at all, or
What do you mean?
like did you catch and release anything,
No.
or see any fish moving in the creek at
Nope.
all?
No.
No. Okay, cool. So you're heading out?
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate your cooperation today.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right, see you.
Bye. So I just got back, actually like an hour ago from my fishing trip. I didn't catch anything, and when I got back, I was like, oh shoot, I didn't do an intro. That is because someone called the conservation officer on me for some reason. I think they thought I was fishing for trout or something, and so they called. I was a little bit scared. There wasn't an issue. I wasn't trespassing or anything or doing anything wrong. So that was interesting. That's the first time it's ever happened to me. Kind of hope it doesn't happen again. And that's just a lesson. Just always be polite and respect the game warden and whatever they tell you to do or not to do. I'd really hope that there would have been some carp down there. The spot looked really good. But of course, I feel like I'm saying this all the time. I didn't catch anything. But maybe I'm just fishing too early, and you can try later to catch some carp. And hopefully I don't bump into another conservation officer. See you guys on the next episode of 365 Fishing.